Okay, so in this video, we're going to focus on solving linear equations in one variable. Okay, menyelesaikan persamaan linear dalam satu pembolehubah. So, dalam solving linear equations in two variable, actually kita ada tiga kaedah, okay, yang kita akan belajar, which is the first one is trial and error method. Trial and error method, sorry, it's not trial and error. Trial and error method. Okay, second one is equality concept, and then the third one is backtracking method. So kita akan tengok the first example, solve m minus 5 is equal to 1. So ini adalah soalan kita yang pertama, m minus 5 is equal to 1. So we're going to see how to solve this using the first one, trial and error method. The second one is equality concept, and the third one is backtracking method. Okay, so let's see the first one, try error method. Try error method means kita cuba sehingga kita berjaya. Try, find the value of m until we get the right answer. Okay, so when the question asks you to solve m minus 5 is equal to 1, that means you have to find the value of m that satisfies the equation. So apa nilai m yang sepatutnya sesuai kat sini? So by looking at the question, actually we can guess, oh okay, maybe I would like to try when m is equal to 5. So if m is equal to 5, then I have 5 minus 5 because we have m minus 5. So 5 minus 5 is equal to 0, not equal to 1 as we need in the question. Okay, so m is equal to 5 is not the solution. But if I choose m is equal to 6, then I can see that 6 minus 5. m minus 5, which is 6 minus 5, is equal to 1. And this is the answer that I want. So therefore, the answer for this question is m is equal to 6. Okay, but I want to remind that this method can only be used in objective questions. Okay, bila soalan subjektif, trial and error method are not acceptable. Okay, only can be used in objective questions. Okay, so untuk soalan subjektif, these are two methods that we are going to use, okay, to solve linear equation. So the first one is equality concept. Equality concept means equal, sama. So what we do on the left side of the right of the sign is equal to the right side of the sign. Sign sama dengan tu. Okay, so we have m minus 5 is equal to 1. So in equality concept, kita kena fikir we want to remove other than our unknown, ataupun pembolehubah, okay, variable. Okay, so kita nak m saja, kita nak negatif 5. So we want to remove negative 5. So to remove negative 5, we know in mathematics, negative 5 kita kena tambah 5. So negative 5 plus 5 is equal to, so what we do on the left side, we do on the right side. That is what equality concept. So kalau sebelah kiri kita ada tambah 5, sebelah kanan kita pun tambah 5. What we do on the left side, we do on the right side also. That is what we call as equality concept. So negative 5 plus 5, then you leave with m only. 1 plus 5, then you get 6. So you get the answer, m is equal to 6. Okay, so untuk backtracking method, alright, so we look at the equation, we have m, okay, m minus 1. So you will have the answer is 1. So backtracking method, we start from the back, which is we start from the answer. Satu, patah balik, and then in backtracking method, if the original operation is minus, dia akan jadi plus 1. Okay, and then we have our answer m. Okay, so to get the value of m from our backtracking method, we have 1 plus 1, which is equal to, kenapa 1 pula? 5 actually, I'm sorry. So 1 plus 5, then the answer will be 6. Okay, so you have the same answer using all the three methods. M is equal to 6. Okay, but I will just focus on these two methods, equality concept and backtracking method, to solve the equation 2m plus 5 is equal to 1. So we have equality concept and backtracking method. Okay, so for using equality concept, okay, we want to remove the other than the variable. So kita nak m seorang-seorang je. Alright, but we have 2m plus 5 is equal to 1. So which one I want to remove? I want to remove 5 and 2. So to remove 5, operation dia adalah plus 5. So to remove 5, then we do minus 5. So 2m plus 5 minus 5, is equal to 1 minus 5. What we do on the left side, we do also on the right side, equality concept. So we have 2m is equal to 1 minus 5 will be negative 4. So to remove 2, what we'll do? We will divide by 2 and then divide by 2. Sebabnya 2m, the operation is 2 times m. Okay, nak hilangkan 2, sorry. So kita akan divide supaya hilang lah. So negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. So m is equal to negative 2. That is equality concept. Okay, so for backtracking method, 2m plus 5 means from m, kita kena start dengan variable kita. From m, we are going to multiply with 2 first. Okay, after that we plus 5. That is what in the equation. Then we have the answer is 1. So backtracking method, we start with the back one. 1, patah balik. Okay, plus 5 akan jadi minus 5. Okay, and then patah balik times 2 akan jadi divide by 2. And so we have our answer m. So to get m, kita guna backtracking method. From 1, we minus 5 first, and then we divide by 2. 1 minus 5 is negative 4. Negative 4 divided by 2, then you have m is equal to negative 2. So you have the same answer using equality concept and backtracking method. Okay, so now let's look at another example. Okay, the question asks you to solve 2 times m plus 1 is equal to 6. So we focus on equality concept and also backtracking method. Okay, so using equality concept, kita ada 2 in bracket m plus 1 is equal to 6. So 2 times m plus 1 is equal to 6. Kita nak remove 2 and 1 so that we have m only. So nak buat apa ya? Okay, so which one we have to do first? We do the outer one. 2 darab m tambah 1. So dalam soalan ni kita akan m tambah 1 dulu baru darab 2 kan, based on the process. Kita akan m plus 1. Okay, we do the bracket first and then we multiply by 2. So to remove, we remove 2 first. Okay, so to remove 2, we know that 2 bracket m plus 1 means 2 multiply. So the operation is multiplication. So kita nak remove dia, kita akan divide by 2, divide by 2. So hilang. Alright, so we have m plus 1 is equal to 6 divided by 2 is 3. So here, from here, m plus 1. We want to remove plus 1, so kita akan minus 1. So m is equal to, on the left side kita minus 1, so on the right side pun kita akan minus 1. So on the left side, when we minus 1, 1 will be gone. Okay, will be removed. So we have m is equal to 3 minus 1, and so the answer is 2. That is what we call as equality concept. Okay, backtracking method, kita start dengan variable kita, m. Okay, so m dia akan tambah 1 dulu. Alright, after tambah 1, dia akan darab 2, multiply with 2. And then, barulah kita dapat jawapan kita, which is 6. Alright, so for backtracking, start with 6. Okay, U-turn, we divide by 2 because multiplication, the opposite operation is divide. And then, we are going to minus 1, the opposite operation of plus. And then, we will get our answer for m. So, to find m, using backtracking method is 6 divided by 2. And then, you minus 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3, minus 1. So, you have m is equal to 2. So, same answer for both method. Oh, sorry.